Hi, this is BrainTrainTV, and in this video I will show you Bootstrap and Bootstrap Glyphicons. So the first thing we want to do is to copy that code for the CSS file in our head. So I'm going to do that first, so then we can use our Glyphicons. So just hit Ctrl C or copy it, go to your editor, and then make sure to put that code in your head. So it has to be in your head. So I copy it and save it, and this is the code from the previous video. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to watch it as well. So we have the style sheet, and it's from version 3.3.7, and this one works for me, but maybe it will work with version 4 for you as well. However, I will put this link down in the description below. So what Glyphicons are is simply that, what you see here, small little icons, and these icons are very powerful. So normally these icons are sold by Glyphicons. So you can go to this website, I will show it to you, and you have to pay about $90 for 900 icons or 80 plus icons for $15. But if you are using Bootstrap, you get all these great icons for free. And I will show you how it works. So it's very simple. You can see all these icons. So I want to have this user to make our website, our form, a little bit more beautiful. So I copied that code, and now we are going back to our code in brackets, and I will show you our website. The style sheet messes up our own CSS file, but it's not so bad, so I will just let it like this and show you how Glyphicons work. So I copied user Glyphicon, and I want to have it in front of this line, so that here is an icon and then there stands username. So let's go back in our code, and now we are looking for our label username, and now we are using a very simple thing, and it's called span. So it's simply a empty element, and we can use this for our icons. We just have to give this span a class, and this class is the class we copied a few minutes ago. So it's class glyphicon minus user. So I save, and now we see here is a small icon, which is very powerful because your website or your form looks more professional with those little icons. So I don't like it because here is missing a space. So we can really simply fix it if we just add a space here. So I hit space, save it as well, and now there is a little space. So it's very simple. Okay, and we are going to, or I'm going to show you some other icons. And yeah, I already made this one, so I will make 3 or 4 icons here, and I will show you what you can do with this. So I have these icon setting, and I want to, let me just copy it. It's very simple for me, and it goes very fast. So 1 2 3, and now we want let's go to our page and look what else we have. So I'm just copying one, and I'm saving some in my heads so I can change it real quick. So in a few days is Christmas, so I think this one is really great, Glyphicon gift. And let's go back into our code, change that Glyphicon gift. I saw fire, and trash. So what we have now is 3 icons next to each other, right? And these icons are very small. And the first thing I want to do is to make it underneath. So I have to make some breaks. So it's the first break, and I think I have to make this break like this. No, or I don't even have to close this. So I give it 2 breaks, and here as well 2 breaks. I save it, and now it looks very, very good. And we want to style now. We want to style our icons now. So these icons are very small, and I want to change the color and the size of these icons. So go back into your code, and what I am doing now is to make a style tag right in our head. And now I'm creating a class. I call it IC and give it some information. So as I said, I want to increase the size. So icons are a font, so you easily can change the font size. Let's say we want to have it 500%, and you also can change the color real easy. And we want it to be white, and the background color should be red. Okay, very simple. So I save that, and what I'm doing now is I go back to our glyph icons and give this a class IC, and now we are looking what happens, and as we are seeing, nothing happens. So I made a mistake. So let's hop back right into our code and see what the mistake is. So as you can see, I made a very simple but stupid mistake. I misspelled style. So you have to spell it right, and here you have to spell it right as well. So it has to be style. And now you're seeing this is colored as well. So I save it again, and now we are seeing this little present. It has a red background and the present is white. But it's still very small, so I want to change the color to red and delete the background. And we are doing this. Let's say 500 is too less. We want to have 2 or 3000. So color is black and default, and we want to delete the background color just to see what happens. So as you see, the present now is really, really big, and it don't get pixels or something like that. And that's really great because you can make these icons as big as you want or as small as you want, and it doesn't matter because these icons are fonts. So you can do whatever you want with these icons, and yeah, it's really, really great. So use them, just experiment a little bit with them, and create some great web sites. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.